Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. Today I have a cool project to share with you guys. This pen right here. And yeah, it's pretty simple, so let's get started. You'll need shrink film, stickers, scissors, paint, glaze, something to trace with, and a pen. The shrink film that you choose is up to you. You will also need a pen backing and hot glue and or E6000, something pretty strong to hold your pen backing with. These are the stickers I'm choosing to use instead of drawing stuff out. I'm going to use that spooky sticker at the top by my thumb. First and foremost, follow the instructions on your shrink film, not mine. These were the instructions for mine. Pause it if you have the same ones and you lost your shrink film. My shrink film has a sanded side and a glossy side. The sanded side is for drawing and all that stuff, so remember, whatever you do, do in reverse if you choose to draw yours. Now take your object that you are choosing to trace with that is 2 times or almost 3 times the size of your sticker if you're going to be using stickers, because remember, it's going to shrink down significantly. The diameter, I'm not sure if that's the correct word, but the diameter, I think it is. No. Is it diameter? Whatever. Straight across that circle. I should know this. But straight across that circle is 2 3/4 inches. Now here's a shitty shot of me attempting to show you in hyperlapse of them shrinking down, and you can see where a couple of them screwed up. And I'll show you what happened to them. It was so much fun. So there's a crappy one, and there's a crappy one. That bubble in there ticked me off. And this one was just tolerable. It had a little dip, but it was doable because it actually would hold the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic better. So now take your sticker and stick it right in the middle. Make sure you press it down really good. I put mine on the shiny side of the shrink pendant. I'm going to call it a shrink pendant from here because it's no longer paper. Now take your dimensional magic and fill it in. If you have like diamond glaze, that's great too. Anything that's going to have a 3D raised effect that will dry clear. That's what you want, because you want to seal that sticker in to the plastic. Get all the bubbles out. I must have dropped my dimensional magic at some point or accidentally shook it. Who knows? Or a kid shook it. Got some bubbles in it. So now I have to take care of that every single time I use it. But they can kind of come out pretty easily. Take all your bubbles out. Deal with all that. Make sure it goes all the way to the edge. And then all I have to do is let it dry. I let mine dry overnight so to make sure it was completely set. So that's what it looks like. Completely clear. You can see my bubbles in there where I messed up, where it didn't come all the way to the edge, but you know what? I really like it. I like how it turned out, except for that line on the back. It looked really good. Now, I'm going to paint the back of mine orange. You can choose whatever color you're doing. I'm doing Halloween pins. You can do whatever. I'm doing this to cover up the lines that are made on the back from my thumb getting into the pin. Yay. And just to kind of make the sticker pop a little more, and I really liked how it looked. So once that dries completely, take and lay down your new pendant or pin. I'd make sure you have it lined up so you don't put your pin backing on there all lopsided and it looks crappy. Be careful if you're using hot glue. Your pin backing will get hot because if it's metal especially. See, I kind of burned myself. Then once it dries and it sets, there you go. That's all you gotta do. You can seal the back of the painted side. I didn't. Just a personal choice because I was being lazy. And there you go. That's what it looks like. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial. The only thing about it is it takes some time for it to dry. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if you have any questions. And have a wonderful day. Bye!